This is for the version 1 board. We have the digital stop-start board, the switch wire, momentary button, ground lead, and 2 smash crimps. On the version 2 board, we have digital stop-start board, switch wire, momentary button, and a smash crimp. Okay, you're gonna need wire snips, step-style drill bit, small flat screwdriver, wire snips, cordless drill, and an optional hot glue gun. Go and flip over your portable, and we're going to go ahead and remove 8 base screws. Cordless drill makes it quite a bit faster. So inside your portable, we're going to go ahead and this is the version 1 stop-start installation. We're going to go ahead and take the wire between the motor and the PT main board and go ahead and straighten it out, make sure it's square, and then go ahead and snip just the red wire only. Do not snip both, just the red wire. Okay, we're going to peel back on one side the red and on the other side peel back just a little way so we can strip both ends of this. Now strip the red on one side and the red on the other side that we just cut. Now we're going to go ahead and take this board assembly and the black ground wire. We're going to put the black ground wire into the power negative and go ahead and tighten down until snug. Okay, now we're going to take the wire coming from the PT main board and put it into power positive or the power plus. Let's knock that down. Then the motor side of that wire, we're going to go ahead and put that into motor power plus. Go ahead and remove the faceplate spring grounding screw and attach the stop-start power negative plug to the screw and then tighten back down. Now you want to go ahead and make sure your wires are kind of tidy, put in place, organized, keeps it clean, keeps it nice. For the version 2, we cut the red. Now we're going to go ahead and cut both white and red for the version 2. Go ahead and strip back both sides of the wires, white and red, on both sides. Go ahead and now take the negative and positive from the PT side and put it into the power terminal of the stop-start board. Go ahead and bring them until they're snug. Do the same thing with the other side of the stop-start board. Take the negative and positive and put that on the motor side of the stop-start board. Go ahead and tighten down until snug. Once that's done, you can go ahead and add a little hot glue underneath to the board here to hold the board in place. You can do this with version 1 or version 2. Go and let it drip. Now these steps are the same for both sides. We're going to go ahead and lift up the stop-start factory switch or tone arm switch and the wire and snip that wire. Now wire, strip back both sides just a little bit on both ends. And take your smash crimp connector and put both those wires into that connector. Go ahead and smash that crimp down. And make sure that the wires are good, snug, good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and install the button. You can place the button anywhere you want. We usually put it in this area. But you're going to use the stepper drill bit and go ahead and figure out your location. Make sure all the wires and the post and everything underneath, you're not going to just cut into or drill into anything underneath. So make sure everything is clear and you're in proper from the bottom side. Then go ahead and drill the hole and place your button in that hole. And these are 16mm buttons. Now, the bottom side, go ahead and put the nut onto the switch, and then loosen the terminal screws, and then put in the switch wire into those terminal screws. It doesn't make any difference red or white or red or black on either side. Go ahead and put those in there, snug them up. Then on board 1 or version 1, you can go ahead and just plug it into where it says switch and plug that into there. And on version 2, you plug it into the socket where it says switch as well. Now go ahead and plug all the wires in, flip over, and start testing.